Today we're showing you a 2019 John Deere 3025E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a 300E John Deere loader. Tractor has just over 250 hours. It's a very clean tractor. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty. You can check the listing for the exact dates on that. It does have the quick attach front bucket, John Deere style quick attach. A couple hooks welded on top of the bucket there. Tractor does have the hydrostat transmission, twin pedals here for forward reverse, and it does have a high and low range over there to the left of the seat. 3-point hitch, 540 PTO, top link. Perfect size tractor for property maintenance, cleaning barns, anything to that nature. Really nice size tractor. Pretty nimble, but still has nice loader lift capacity. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.